Oh my god, dude.
I've never heard you wheeze harder. I recorded it. I recorded it.
Get fucked.
That was the best wheeze by far.
Bro, dude. Ow! Bro, when I pushed Isaac, when I pushed him off, dude, I threw a punch and I like hit him and then get off! Look off!
Isaac, what the fuck?